In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Form Calculation Widget in Jotform. By the end, you'll know how to turn form inputs into automatic totals, scores, or other numeric results, all inside your existing form. We'll start by setting up the fields that will feed your calculation. Open your form in the Form Builder and add the inputs you plan to include. Single choice and multiple choice fields work great when you want a selection to carry a numerical value, like points for a quiz or a fixed price for a product option. Dropdowns behave similarly and help keep choices tidy. For any values users will type directly, such as quantities or measurements, use number fields so the widget can read them as numbers without conversion. As you add fields, label them clearly, because you'll be selecting these labels later when building the formula. Next, assign calculation values to any choice-based fields. This is what tells the widget how much each option is worth. Open the field settings and add a numeric value for each option in the same order they appear. For example, a correct quiz answer might be 1 and an incorrect one 0. Or a size upgrade might represent an additional cost. Make sure every option has a value, check that the count matches the number of options, and use plain numbers without symbols. Decimals are fine if you need them. This simple setup is what allows the widget to translate user choices into numbers you can compute. Now build the calculation that brings everything together. In the Form Calculation widget, click Add Field and choose the fields you want to include. You'll see them appear in the Formula area, where you can insert operators between them. Use plus for addition, minus for subtraction, an asterisk for multiplication, and a // for division. Parentheses are available for grouping, which is helpful for controlling the order of operations. For example, if you want to multiply a quantity by a unit price and then add a fixed fee, group the multiplication first and add the fee afterward. Keep an eye on the formula as you assemble it. Clear labels on your fields make this much easier. When you're happy with the setup, click Save. A quick tip before you wrap up: test your form with a few sample inputs to confirm the numbers behave as expected. Stick to number-capable fields in your formula, and keep currency symbols and text in labels rather than in the numeric values. With that, you've successfully used the Form Calculation widget to create dynamic, reliable results inside your form.